like I said, we made 2 trips, but this is the second trip we ended up making, and we came over here to the Circle K on 441, met up at Let's Ride Gainesville. We beelined it down here to Eaton's Beach, and then we kind of took the scenic way. Gator Joe's is right here, and we went around, nice back roads, took 326, said our goodbyes up here, and then we ended up taking 329. All this is horse country right here. Now this map is what I originally planned, but I'll put a link to both of the maps, the one we did and the one we planned, on our website. Well, a little bit of overcast. And we got a pretty nice ride for today, and we'll meet our buddies from Gainesville and around.
This is my buddy I went to high school with.
And junior high.
And junior high and elementary, yeah.
My name's Barry.
Call me Biggin.
Biggin.
And this is Little One?
Yeah, right. This is Blue.
All right, how you doing?
Your girlfriend's going to put my age in the
Say, always check out the website before you go there. You can get your menu, you can kind of see what the place looks like, and this is another one of our favorite rides to go to, Eaton's Beach. It's neat and good food. Tony, Vicky! And even Tony and Vicky joined us today, and we also have Biggums and Tammy from North Carolina with us today. Another one of them kind of rustic places I like, and I tell you what, it's really pleasing the eye just sitting out there and watching everybody. We enjoy this place.
I have the need for feed.
Shows you what it looks like inside, and I tell you what, it does have that beachy atmosphere, and Marcia lately has been buying shirts from the different restaurants we go to. Here, you know, I've already ordered, and I'm just walking around trying to give you guys a little better perspective of what this place looks like. This is where our group is today. Both tables, we had a pretty nice turnout. And at this point, everybody must have made their order, and I'm just walking around grabbing some video. Now, they have 2 levels to this. The main dining room is upstairs overlooking the beach. Then you have this here. It's more, I've seen a sign with steam bar and stuff like that. I don't know how much food you can get, but you can get food here, and you see people ordering. And this, again, gives it that very beachy look. And there's all the people, you know, here in, what, January, February on the beach. No, it's January. Just enjoying themselves. And this is a neat place. You got to check it out. some more of the area. And you know, when I'm walking through here, they usually have some good music playing, but you know how it is. If I don't mute it, the video get banned. So I gotta mute the music. Popular place for people going out on motorcycle rides or group. If you have a group here, you want to get here just about the time they open. Otherwise, you ain't gonna find a parking spot. I take pictures, I take videos, so I try getting some of the pictures. There's our group there, the big guy on the left's Biggums. He's down visiting Biggums and Tammy from North Carolina. And here's just some of our group, Tony and Vicky. I don't know if I have everybody, Ed and Karen. And we're at the table, getting ready to eat. You got Christy, Karen, and Glenn. There's me and Marcia. A little blurry on that picture. Our buddy Boo Boo, Wayne. And right there you see Sally, Ed, Barry, Glenn, Wayne, and Gene. He always shows up. I'm not sure. I think that's Gene's sister. And there's my meal. Ain't that a happy meal? Looks like 2 pieces thick, but it was 3. And there's our buddies from North Carolina again. And after the meal, everybody kind of talking, socializing, getting ready to take off again. Ed and Sally. I'll tell you what, we had a nice little group, and from here we ended up heading over to Warhorse Harley Davidson. Here, I like getting on 147 Place because I like the way it's safer getting on 25A. Here, I have this clip here in a lot of our road trips. That is such a beautiful, beautiful picture when you go by, especially coming past the other direction.
Try that sometime.
Back that way is where David Dillon's. Now, on the way home, we decided to stop at Warhorse Harley Davidson. And we just cut up and had a good time, said our goodbyes right here.
It doesn't like the hat, but it looks good on him.
Oh, wow.
Come on, baby.
Oh. Ooh la la.
It does look good. I'm gonna put the garbage. Let me know how long it takes for that to disappear. Yeah.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?